Hey guys, here's showing you how to place your 2013 Mercedes GL 450 into the service mode for the rear brakes. If you go to do the rear brake pad replacement or rotors, this car does have an electronic parking brake. So not naturally you can't compress the piston back in if you do not disable the system first. This should work for, I think this is the X166 chassis, I believe. I think this is made from 2011 possibly. I don't know, you'll have to double check me on that. I'll have it in the title and it'll, apply to the proper years, but pretty much any of the Mercedes that look like this on the gauge cluster or have this particular kind of steering wheel with the OK button over here and the phone buttons right here with a push to talk right here. It should work for all of these, but basically what you want to do is you'll get in the car, you'll shut the door like so, and you want to have it to where the mileage is displayed right here like so. And then most of these will have a push button ignition by now, so make sure you have your key, shut all the doors, close all the windows, push the start button one time, just once like that, and the steering wheel obviously will come down. And what you'll want to do is press and hold this talk button and the OK button. First press this one, and then within 1 second push the OK button. Push and hold those until you see you'll see the mileage go away, and another menu will come up that'll have the words Assist Plus on it. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and sorry I can't do it because I'm holding the camera. Okay, now that you have pressed and held that, you'll see this comes up where it says vehicle data, dynamometer test, and pad replacement and Assist Plus. You want to go to where it says pad replacement. Now I'm just using the up and down arrows here to go up and down. And you'll go to pad replacement and press OK. And then this here screen will come up and you'll go ahead and press OK. The pistons are actually retracting themselves right now to where you can go on ahead and install the new pad. So now you're good to go outside and jack the car up and go on ahead and remove the brakes as you normally would. Okay, after you have completed your brake service, go on ahead and come back into the car, close the doors, shut the windows, push the start button once again, and you'll see it will return right back to where it was. And you can see it says fitting position reached, which means that it's, they've been completely retracted, and you should have used a tool to push the piston back in to get the pads to fit. Once you've done all that and you've got it all done, I did make a video on how to replace these rear brake pads, so don't forget to check that out. But once you've done all that, you can go on ahead and push the OK. And right now it's exiting. It's now setting the brake position back to where it should be at, so that way that they work correct. And you can see the brake light went off over here on the side. It is no longer here anymore. And then you can just press OK to exit, and then press the top back button here to get out of that. Then you can go on ahead and push the start button one more time, make sure everything comes on, then go on ahead and turn everything off, open the doors, and that will be the end of the video there. Excuse me, the camera's shaky a little bit. I'm trying to hold it. I don't have my tripod, but you guys get the idea pretty much. So if you have any comments or questions, please ask them in the comment section below. And I appreciate you guys stopping by and watching the videos. I will see you guys next time.